Welcome to another rapid spray tutorial. Today we will be running you through how to load your fire resistant hose onto your buddy hose reel. For today's job you'll need a 19mm spanner, a 13mm spanner and a Phillips head screwdriver. Included in the kit you will get a couple of hose clamps and hose tail fittings, as well as your 50 meters of fire hose. Today I'll also be using a couple of zip ties. That's just to lock down our tube that will be holding our hose reel to allow it to rotate without going anywhere. First step will be to remove your current gun and stopper from your hose so that it's easy to remove your current hose from your buddy reel. So we've just set up a makeshift trestle to hold the cardboard spool that will be included with your kit. This is to hold your buddy hose that will come off of your reel. You could do this with a broomstick and a couple of chairs, whatever works for you at home. You'll just take your buddy hose. There'll be a section in your cardboard reel to enter the hose in there, and then basically you're just going to roll your hose onto the supplied spool. Hose will travel through and out the side of the spool here. You'll need to remove this nut and remove this pin, which will allow you to take the hose completely off of the reel. Once you've got your original hose off, load your fire hose onto your trestle, and we're basically reversing the process of taking it off by adding your hose onto the reel. So you're just going to run your bare hose back through your rollers and then out through the side of the reel where your hose was originally. Then you just need to add your hose clamp and your hose tail on. Once you've got your supplied hose tail onto your reel, do up your hose clamp and add it into the side of your hub. Once you've got your hose connected onto the side of your reel, it's a lot easier to load it now that you've got your buddy remote. You just hold your button in and let your spool reel onto your buddy reel. When you're heading towards the end of your hose, make sure that you slow down and it doesn't suck in. If it does, it's not too hard just to feed it back through your reels. All that's left is to put your hose clamp and your hose tail into the end of your hose and lock that down, and then you've got options of either your heavy duty spray gun, which is a good option for firefighting, or the Turbo 400 still makes a good gun for fire suppression work when you're doing controlled backburns. To get your hose tail into the end of your hose, it makes it a lot easier if you heat the end of this hose either with a heat gun or by dipping the end of the hose in boiling water. Now that your hose is all the way to the end of your hose tail, do up your hose clamp and you're all done. Now your spray unit is ready for fire season. Thank you for watching another rapid spray tutorial.